Keeping white clothes white forever can be nearly impossible. If you have not yet had a stain ruin your favorite article of clothing, consider yourself lucky. Stains can force a prized piece of clothing into early retirement if you do not know how to address them properly. If you have had the misfortune to stain a piece of clothing, whether that be an ink stain, grease stain, or your favorite curry stain, there are a few tricks you can try to help brighten your white clothes back to their original shade again with things that are already available in your house. 1. Take an aspirin. Dissolve 5 300 milligram aspirin tablets in 8 liters of hot water. Soak the white clothing in this solution for 6 hours or so. Make sure that the material stays submerged throughout the process. To speed the process up, you may want to crush the aspirin before you stir it into the water. Doing so can help make the aspirin dissolve faster by exposing more of its granules directly to the water. You could also toss a couple of aspirin directly into the washing machine as you wash your clothes, but pre-soaking with aspirin is the recommended option of the two. 2. Soak in baking soda. Combine 4 liters of warm water with 1 cup of baking soda in a sink or basin, mixing well until the baking soda dissolves. Soak your dingy white clothes in this solution, making sure that each garment is submerged. Let it soak for about 6 hours. Baking soda deodorizes while it whitens, so this option has multiple benefits. Moreover, it has also been known to help soften hard water, so your clothes will not be exposed quite as much to hard water, withstanding mineral deposits, if they soak in this solution. 3. Soak the garment in lemon juice. Fill a bucket with water and add the slices of 1 or 2 lemons. Bring the contents to a boil over high heat. Turn off the heat, then add your whites and allow them to soak for an hour in the lemon water. Make sure that the lemons are cut into slices rather than halves. You want as much of the lemon flesh to be exposed as possible, since more of the juice from the inner membranes can seep into the water that way. 4. Rub stains out with salt. As soon as you spill something dark onto a white garment, rub a little salt onto the stain. The salt can absorb the moisture from the stain and lift away some of the dye while it is still in the liquid state. This treatment only works when the stain is still wet and fresh. It will not help much on dry set stains. And 5. Add vinegar to the rinse cycle. Add 1 cup, 250 milliliters of white vinegar to the washing machine just before it enters the rinse cycle. Do this when you are washing a load of all white laundry for best results.
Now, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health videos and natural remedies, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for instant notification. That way, you won't miss any video from us. Also, don't forget to check out our other health videos and recipes on our channel.